Many businesses are doing WhatsApp marketing completely wrong because they send messages manually and it's sent to limited peoples. But what if you had a system that could send a powerful high converting offer message to your entire customer list in one click automatically and actually bring instant orders? Sounds interesting? Yes, that's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. That's how you can build a WhatsApp broadcast automation system using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, before we jump into the setup, let me make one thing very clear. This is not just about sending messages. This is about building a system where whenever you want sales, you trigger a broadcast and your customer instantly sees your offer and respond to it. This is the difference between random marketing and controlled revenue. Because once you have this in place, you are not waiting for customers anymore. You are activating them. So let's understand what we are actually building here. We are going to send this high converting food offer message templates to all the contacts by just one click. Now, without wasting any time, let's walk through this setup. First, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this tool, you can build a chatbots, AI assistant, broadcast messages, and many more. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to broadcast this type of template message to hundreds or even thousands of your contacts, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly chat flow by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. As we are doing a WhatsApp broadcast, so I am directly going in this broadcast feature that are present on the left side panel. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It works like instead of sending messages manually to one person at a time, you can create one message that sends to hundreds or even thousands of contacts instantly in just one click. And the most important thing is every message is delivered as a personal chat, not a group message. It is perfect for announcement, updates or promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button, where at first you have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Next, you have to give the name to your broadcast that I am entering as food offer alert. Next, you have to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. Here I have already created one list by the name of new list, so I am selecting this. If you want to create a contact list or add contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you need to go to the contact section. After that, click on this plus add contact button. You can add a single contact manually by entering the details, or you can upload the contacts in bulk. For bulk uploading, you need to create a CSV file containing all your users' contacts. A CSV file is a simple format that includes user data such as first name, last name and phone number. So to create a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I added my user contacts in the Google Sheet. Once you add all the contacts, click on the file option and download the file in CSV format. While the file is downloading, keep in mind that only CSV files are allowed with the maximum size limit of 50 MB and the maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. This means you can upload up to 2 lakhs contacts at once and send broadcast messages to all of them, which is extremely powerful. Now, to upload the file, click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and and then simply drag and drop this file here. Next you have to click on this uploads file. After that, select it from here and click on this insert button. You can upload contacts into your Pabbly Chatflow account, and you can also create a list from here by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one list, name as new list, where I added only 4 contacts. Now we will go back to our broadcast setup. After selecting the contact list, you have to select the message type. It will provide you 2 options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can send the regular message by clicking on this option and select the message type from here. After that, enter the content in this field, but I prefer you to select the message type as pre-approved template message. After that, select the template from here and next choose the template which you want to send. I want to send this restaurant order template. After that, I want to upload one image, so for that I will click on this option, and this is the image that I want to send with the message. That's why I have selected this and clicking on this insert button, and you will see this is the final look of the template that was sent to your user. After selecting the template, you have to click on this done button. So now I think one question is coming in your mind, that how you can design this template. So for designing this, you have to go in this templates feature. This is where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. Templates are the predefined messages that were approved by Meta, and it follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. I have already designed some template before, and this is the template we are going to send. If you want to create a new template, then you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here, after selecting the template, you will see it includes 2 quick buttons, that is view menu and contact us. Whenever the user will click any of these buttons, then the chatbot will takes over the conversation. Means not only the user will receive the message, but it can also order the food. And the craziest part, you don't have to give a manual reply to not even a single message. It is only made possible with the help of this flows feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the flow that continues the conversation. Here I have selected the same template. Whenever the user will click on this view menu button, then this menu card is going to be sent to the user, and all the process of order taking is done through this bot. I have already created a separate detailed video of this flow. If you want it, then comment chatbot in the description below. I will share the video link with all of you guys. After selecting the message type as template, I'm going to test this broadcast by entering the username as a test user and entering my number in this field. Here I entered my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After that, I will click on the send test message button, and see it says that test broadcast sent. Immediately I received 2. This is the exact template that we have selected here. As a message is successfully sent to my WhatsApp account, this means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, the next option is schedule broadcast. You can schedule it for later by clicking on this yes schedule button, as well as send instantly. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 30th of April at 5 p.m. So on 30th April 2026 at 5 p.m. this broadcast message is going to be sent to all of my 40 contacts. After that, I will click on this plus add broadcast button, and you will see the broadcast is created successfully. It is scheduled here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button. Here you will see the status, that is sent, delivered, read, pending and ignored. You can also resend the broadcast to the failed contact too, and export the report by clicking on this export button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of broadcast message by using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, you can create a WhatsApp template based on your business and broadcast it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.